Greetings from the Rust Belt of Ohio. Tonight I'm working on my daughter's Subaru. It's in 2004 Legacy GT. She came home with an exhaust leak. So typical Subarus, they have all these flanges on them. So I got to looking. Best thing I could come up with. You can see here's where my flanges were. Take a look at her here. Right there's where my flanges were. Hopefully you can see this good. Here are my flanges. They have those nice little flange repair kits, but with both of them being bad, I didn't think that was a good option for me. So what I did, I got my sawzall with the hacksaw blade. And I got in there and cut my flanges off. Right at the pipe. My pipes are 2-inch. So I got a 2-inch inside diameter coupler to put on there. So we'll see how it works. Let's slow down there as good as you can. Get this side on there tight. Then you put your clamps on. The nice thing about this, I only got about $8 in parts on this thing. So, as long as you can borrow a sawzall off somebody to cut this, or get you a cut-off wheel, cut-off tool to buzz these off. It's kind of an inexpensive fix, really. And I know those nice little flange repair kits, they're a little pricey. So having only $8 in this is a pretty good deal, I thought. So I know a lot of Subarus, make sure you measure your pipe. See if yours is any different than mine. And always make sure when you jack your car up, you use jack stands. It does put tight together, and all you gotta do is tighten them up. So I hope this saves somebody out there a little bit of time and money. Take it to the repair shop. Like I said, I got about $8 in this. Thanks again.